Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm gonna be teaching you how you can buy web hosting from the guys from InterServer. So the first step we're gonna be taking today is going down and click in the video description. There you will find the link for InterServer. After that you're gonna be clicking there and you're gonna be redirected to this website. As you can see, you're gonna be checking these things. For example, here standard web hosting, here click here and you will see that you're gonna be buying your web hosting at the price of $2 plus 50 cents per month, and you're going to be having, for example, unlimited ultra SSD storage, sidepath website builder, global content caching, and many other features. After this you're going to be clicking where it says buy now, and you're going to be redirected here where you are going to be choosing your domain name. What is a domain name? The address of your new website. Yes, for example, I'm going to be typing a domain like Tony Correa web hosting is an example. You can choose any name. Webhosting.com, Tony Correa webhosting.com. Click where it says continue, and the machine is finding if my domain is available. Yes, yeah, Tony Correa web hosting is here. I'm going to be paying this quantity of money, but first let's see here. You have to complete your information. For example, first name, my first name is here Tony, my last name is Correa, email address, and then my password. Remember to include special characters. Enter the company, the company name. It's optional, but here where it says the asterisk in red, it's mandatory. Yes, for example, my address Los Alamos. Yes, city, I'm gonna be typing the city here, for example Miami, state in Florida, and then I'm gonna be choosing here the country, United States. After this, the zip code. Yes, phone number here, and then I scroll down and I can see this information. Web hosting $30, domain registration, discount, quantity of money, also this guys includes the hosting and domain. Yes, you're gonna be paying this quantity of money, $40.99. Yes, for this time. Yes, and then agree to the rules of terms. Click where it says I have read the terms above and agree. And after this guys, you proceed to create your account in which you are going to be managing your web hosting and domain registration. Remember, when you buy your domain name, you're going to be included the hosting, so you can register and also register your domain name, and also the guys from InterServer are going to be giving you web hosting for you to go live. Click where it says create account and place order. Yes, as you can see, account created successfully. Then you're gonna be redirected here. Yes, and you, as you can see, you're gonna be managing your web hosting here. Yes, yeah, you can navigate here in your web hosting panel from the guys from InterServer. Okay guys, I hope you have liked my video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. If you don't, I appreciate that you were watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.